we are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and related names and some of the most mispronounced ones as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This designates an expression that signals true enjoyment, a genuine smile. It was named after a French anatomist. This is why there is a bit of a confusion on how to pronounce this name, but for reference in French it is said as Duchenne, named after Guillaume Duchenne. Therefore, most people pronounce it as Duchenne or Duchenne, but in French it is said as Duchenne. You do want to say it in English as Duchenne, smile. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names and words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.